Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you a frozen dessert. It's kind of like an ice cream but without eggs, and we have raspberries and pistachio and it's so easy to prepare. I'm gonna use sour cream, 120 grams, and also heavy cream for 100 grams, and I have a cream without sugar and is with 30% fat. I'm gonna sweeten this dessert with stevia sweetener, and I have 20 grams. Frozen raspberries, 200 grams. Pistachio, I have 60 grams and is roasted but without salt. Lime zest, lime juice, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna use a few of these ladies' fingers. First I'm gonna chop that pistachio. I didn't bought one with salt, so this one is just roasted, and this way the flavor of pistachio is more pungent, and also the color. On the same theme with the color, I have lime zest, and I'm grating just the green part, not the white one that's underneath, because that's bitter. I'm gonna put the sour cream in a bowl, and for this dessert I'm gonna use a mixer. I'm gonna whip that sour cream really good. I will add the sweetener. If you don't want to use a sweetener, you can use sugar, and you can use powdered sugar and add as much as you want. You have to taste from the mixture and add as much. About 200 grams of powdered sugar I think will be good. Start now to add the cream, heavy cream. You need to keep it in the fridge before using it. This way it will whip up faster. Make sure to shake really good the container before using it, and squeeze out all that fat that's in the container. I added the second container also, and I'm whipping this really good with the mixer until the mixer starts to leave trails in the mixture. I added that lime juice because it will give so much taste, and I added pistachio and lime zest. Mix good and add raspberries. You can also use fresh ones, but the frozen ones are good as well. I'm gonna line a loaf, silicone loaf, with some cling film, because this way it's gonna be easier to remove this dessert from the tin after it's frozen. It's gonna keep the shape, and yeah, it's gonna be easier. So line the tin with cling film. Pour the mixture that you prepared in the tin. Align it really good, level it really good with the spatula, shake it and tap it over the counter, and on top of that arrange a few of these ladies' fingers. And you're gonna have to be patient. You have to put this in the freezer, and according to your freezer might take a few hours. I let this in the freezer until the next day. I cover it with cling film, and in the freezer to solidify completely. The second day I took it out from the freezer, remove the cling film and take it out from the tin. You will have to leave it at the room temperature for a few minutes before slicing it, but first remove the cling film as well. And you can slice it nicely and serve it. So a really easy dessert, and I really hope you're gonna try it. Looks amazing also, and tastes really good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.